Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get every Vanguard step by step. Start by gathering essential gear and clear inventory space for rewards. Next, pick a consistent route and prioritize high-value objectives first. Communicate with teammates and assign roles to avoid overlap. Use checkpoints and quick resets to practice difficult segments. Track progress after each attempt and refine your approach based on what causes deaths or delays. Gather weapons, mods, and consumables tailored to the specific Vanguard fight you will face. Optimize for one clear role like damage, support, or crowd control and avoid swapping mid-run. Run through basic mechanics in a safe zone until they feel automatic. Coordinate with teammates about who handles adds, interrupts, and objectives. Small practice loops cut down on wipes and keep momentum during longer sessions. On another note, quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling crisp while you grind Vanguards. It's a small thing that makes long sessions more enjoyable and keeps you focused during rotations. If you like this tip, check the description for the link and other deals. Subscribe and like if this helped. Now let's get back to the video. Start each attempt with a clear plan and callouts for major mechanics that matter most. Keep tempo steady and avoid rushing into poorly supported plays that cause team wipes. Rotate targets and crowd control smoothly to reduce damage taken and improve uptime. When you succeed on a segment, mark it mentally and preserve that strategy. After a reset, change only one variable so you can identify what improves performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.